Oh my god guys, look at my coins in GP. This hack working perfectly. What's up people and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I got unlimited coins in GP for eFootball 25 game, absolutely free, safe and online guys, without loading any mod or anything menu guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called Abloop and type in search eFootball and you will find the online tool. Click there guys and I will have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. So let me enter mine quickly. Press continue guys and let's see. As you can see, it found an our user ID successfully connected. The next step is select our coins in GP amount. So I will go with the maximum, so let me click continue guys and let's see how this is working. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for eFootball, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites around this. Abloop is an amazing website for this. Okay, AP connected, so the next step is to select I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important steps. What we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps for complete 2 simple questions. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happens, so let's wait together and let's see. Nice guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the ball check. Coins in GP are on the way guys. I'm so excited to test this, so let me open the game and let's see. Does it actually work? So let's see guys. Oh my god guys, look at my coins in GP. This hack working perfectly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.